What is Launchpad and how does it work? Well, Launchpad is something that you're not going to come to very often. You usually only come to this whenever you first start our software. This is just where you connect everything. So you can come on here, you can connect your Google My Business, you can connect your Facebook, you can connect your Instagram, your WhatsApp. You can also go ahead and connect your chat widget from our technology and put it onto your website. You're going to go ahead and connect your Stripe account. If you have a WordPress website, you can also connect that through here. One of the biggest things that you would ever come back here, if you want to quick add an employee, you can do that through this particular place. And then you would just add the email address and send the invite, and they would get that. And there's a couple other places to do that, which I will show you soon, but this is a particular place that you could do it. Cool. So that's pretty much everything that you're going to see on Launchpad. You're not going to come here very often, but that is everything that it has to offer. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Oh,